Okay, this is going to be a short video on how to use the EasyMEMS feature called Plate Release. Okay, so let's say you want to make a large plate, a poly 1 plate in this case. You have to put release holes in there. So you can draw release holes individually and following the design rules every 30 microns or so, about a 5 by 5 micron hole, or you can use the plate release tool. So we're going to show you that, so maybe it'll save you some time. So we go ahead and we select our poly 1 plate, which I just did. You have to select the object first, then you go to EasyMEMS, which is in the MEMSPro toolbar, and I have a video on how to find that toolbar. Then you select Plate Release. Okay, and then this wonderful menu comes up. So it defaults to a width of 5, a length of 5, so they're 5 by 5 holes, and a spacing of 30. I'm going to go ahead and be a little more conservative. I'm going to put a spacing of 25. Okay, now you don't know what layer to put the holes in yet. Okay, so I am going to put it in my poly 1 layer, or actually it's in the hole 1 layer. Hole 1 makes holes in poly 1. So I select hole 1. Okay, now I'm going to be really lazy and I'm going to say, you know, I need dimples in this plate too. Otherwise the plate's going to stick. The poly 1 plate will stick to the poly 0. So I select create dimples. Dimples are a little bit bigger. The design rule they recommend is about 6 by 6 microns, so we'll leave it at the default. And we'll put 1 dimple for every hole or so. Now you can do 1 dimple for every 3 holes or every 2 holes. Okay? Well, we'll stick to every hole. I'm going to go a little overboard on the dimples. Then we have to select the layer, and it's the dimple layer. Alright, so to recap, width of 5, length of 5, spacing of 25. Hole layer is hole 1 for poly 1. Okay, and this box is checked as a default. It says clear previously generated holes and dimples. So if you have a couple of holes and dimples in there, it'll clear those out and then redo it. Okay? And then we selected to create dimples as well at 6 by 6 and microns in size. And we're going to put 1 dimple for every hole, every release hole that we're making. Alright, enough said. We hit OK, and there you have it. A nice array of holes and dimples. Okay, that's all you need to know.